How to install RAM. First, we locate our DIMM slots. We want to pull back the white pins to make sure they're in the open position. We now want to line up our pins. If you look closely at the pin configuration on your sticks of RAM, you'll notice that one side is a slightly bit longer than the other. So we want to make sure that the gap will line up with the gap on the DIMM slot. To make it easier, you can always hold the stick of RAM next to the DIMM slot so you can see where exactly it lines up. Now, if you are setting up a computer to handle Windows Vista like we are here, you may only want to install one stick of RAM. The purpose being that with the newest version of Windows Vista, it requires an update to handle more than 3 GB of RAM. So if you have high capacity RAM like we're using here, you probably just want to install one for now, and then once you download the update and have the operating system installed, then you can update it and install the RAM after. And that's how you install RAM.